This is exactly what the workday of a 19-year-old day trader looks like. Today, I hopped on the charts at 9:30. My day was finished at 9:31. I'm up a total of $157 on the day. I took one trade and one win. So let's just get straight into today, how I analyzed it, how I got out so swiftly, how I got in so confidently. And this isn't going to be a long video because look, I was in the trade for like 45 seconds. I wasn't even in it for a minute. Literally 45 seconds I was in this trade for, and I'm up on the day. It's kind of mind-boggling the fact that some people go to work for 40 hours a week and get a tiny bit of money. And then you've got day traders who just make it within minutes. It's mad to think of, but at the same time, it never comes into my mind because of, But regardless, you've already seen the trade. You've seen the executions. I'm not LARPing. We're up $157 on the day. If we go to the P&L, we can see I've had 4 winning days of over $150 on the day. So now all that we need to do is get one more, and then the payout is going to be in my pocket. So if we go and remove, there's been a lot of jumping around on different stuff. If we remove the executions and we just get straight into the raw analysis of how I capitalized on today. So heading over to the 4-hour chart, we can see that yesterday's price action was pretty clean and it was extremely bullish. Yesterday was a no news Monday. What are the characteristics of no news Mondays? They are just continuations in one direction. They are generating liquidity to be taken later on in the week. Whether it be 1, 2, or 3 days later, no news Mondays are known to continue in one direction. So yesterday, I capitalized on buying. If we can see that price has been bullish up until market open, we can expect the price to continue bullish. I capitalized on it, so it comes to today. Yesterday, price swept up previous day high, tapping into a daily fair value gap, putting in a high time frame daily S&T. If you went to the chart today at 9:15 in the morning, you would have seen the ES was practically next to this high. NQ was practically next to this high. It was very evidential that price was disrespecting bearish reactions and not rejecting bearishly to the downside. Price was just breaking structure to the upside and chasing liquidity, generating liquidity in the means of it, and then running to the upside again. Like yesterday, the whole day was bullish. Today, the whole day was bullish. You can't be trying to look for a reversal in these times. It's just obvious, man. It is obvious. If we're bullish on the charts, we have no means to be bearish. So, understanding the clear draw on liquidity today being previous day high, and I did call this out on my Discord literally to the tick. I wanted to see price reject to the upside, I wanted to see price continue to the upside to fill the daily fair value gap and best case scenario take out this previous day high. But regardless, if we go to the 50-minute chart, we can see that we have got a 15-minute fair value gap resting below. As soon as price opens up, it rejects lower, tapping into this 15-minute fair value gap, putting in a fresh 15-minute SMT, kind of. I mean, it actually is a 15-minute SMT, but regardless, for price to go up, we have to go down. Price manipulated lower, putting in an SMT, tapping into a 15-minute fair value gap. It then goes to the 30-second time frame. It then rejected higher, broke internal structure to the upside. I entered in the charts at like that point, aiming for an $150 day, which equated to literally just 20 points. I entered the chart just before this change in state delivery. I exited at the previous day high. That is exactly what trading looks like. I was in and out within a minute. So that marks the end of my day. Hopefully you learned something from this video. If you did, drop a like, try and get some more people who need this information in their ears to find out about this. And yeah, I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.